Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I haven't purchased a lot of items recently because I have tons of stuff that I need to use my in my stash, but I did run across a few things that I wanted to purchase, and I thought I'd share them with you. So first up, from Scrapbook.com, I placed an order, and I did receive this really sweet little stamp set. It is a 3x4 clear stamp set, and I think it's called Bees. And it stamps really well. You have the hive and the honey pot and the little bees. I love these little bees. And then it actually has a sentiment that says happy day. And then a little flower. So really cute stamp set that I got free. And then they also had these stickers for these alphabets. So really nice free items. And what I actually purchased was some sentiment stamps. And this is from Penny Black, and it's called Carefree Wishes. It has a really nice birthday sentiments. I really like Penny Black sentiments. They're so sweet. So I stamped a couple of them out. This says, wishing you a fun and carefree day. And this says, happy birthday, lovely lady. And then this one says, get your happy on. I really like that. So that's a few of those sentiments. And then I purchased this one called Heartfelt Thanks. And so these are all sorts of thank yous. And one is that you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. So this can be used other than just a regular thank you. So I think that was the only one I printed out, stamped out from them. But they have thank you for your kindness. You're beautiful inside and out. You mean the world to me. Enjoy your day. So awesome sentiments again from Penny Black. And this is called the Heartfelt Thanks. And then up next is Not Older, Better. So these are really cute. We have happy birthday to my best friend. You deserve the best of the best. And then we have hope you have a great time today and find happiness in everything you do. These are really, really sweet. Another one is the secret of staying young is to live honestly, eat slowly, and lie about your age. So that's that one. And then I got this, last but not least, this one that says better with age, and really sweet. Once again, we have happy birthday. It's just the beginning of a year full of happiness. Sending you my love, best wishes, and joy. Happy birthday. So not only are the sentiments really nice, but then the font that are used, different fonts that are used is really cute. Really cute. So I got that from Scrapbook.com. And then I placed an order for this die set from Cat Scrappiness. And I think I can't recall what it's called. It's like stitched leaves. And I'm sorry. I normally would show these, as I die cut them, but I totally forgot. And then I got a little freebie from them, which is really cute. Just some little Smarties. And then a scratch to win, a percentage off probably. And then a little sequence pack. And then a Post-it note, which is always handy. Let's scratch to see what I win. So it looks like I get 15% off coupon code. So really sweet. So that's Cat Scrappiness. And then I made a few purchases at Dollar Tree. I picked up this really pretty sticker. It says it's, I think you can reposition it, but I'm going to try to see if I can just kind of add some glue to it. But I really think this is really pretty. And then I picked up this really simple pop-up sticker set. I really like this one here. And I like the little leaves. So I think these will make a really pretty card. And then I picked up some burlap trim. And I know you guys have seen this in your store or in a haul. And then this tulle. I love this color. It's so, I don't know, it reminded me of Maggie Holmes when I saw that color. And then I bought some wall stickers, which I love to use on my packaging when I mail things. And I thought these were pretty small to put it on packages. And then it's double-sided, which is great because of double signs. All right, so that's Dollar Tree. And then I placed the order from Frank Garcia. So I wanted to pick up this collection, a few items from this collection by Obed Marshall. And it's the Especial. I think I said that right. And then this is the 40-piece ephemera set. And I just really love the colors that he used. They're vibrant yet soft. And I really like these this ephemera. And then I picked up these little stickers. Aren't those cute? Look at the different colors that are used. Love these. And then I picked up the paper pad. It's a 6x8 paper pad. I didn't open it up. I tell you, I'm so unprepared today. But I'll do a little flip through here. I think you can see some of it. Man, that does not do it justice. And I can't seem to catch the edge. And I don't want this video to be that long. So I do apologize. So let me show the back here. So like I said, I picked this up at Frank Garcia. And like I said, I just love that he uses these really bright but yet muted colors. Look at that one. It's really pretty. So I'll share some cards that I make with this, hopefully soon. I picked up another of the journaling ephemera cards from this Graphic 45 charm collection because I know I'm going to use these for my Halloween cards this year. I can't wait. And these are just going to be so simple and easy, but really, really cute. I also picked up a few pieces of paper from the Graphic 45 Let It Be collection. Hopefully soon I'll be making some cards out of this. And I knew I would want more of this sheet. And also this sheet. This is so pretty. If you haven't seen this collection in person, you really should because it's really gorgeous. And then I got this one, two of this one. So that's it. That's my haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So maybe one of these days I'll be able to speak correctly. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.